without aggression. It is not fueled by rage or emotion the way other firebending is. Some call lightning the cold-blooded fire. It is precise and deadly, like Azula. To perform the technique requires peace of mind.
I see. That's why we're drinking tea. To calm the mind.
Oh yeah, good point. I mean, yes. There is energy all around us. The energy is both yin and yang. Positive energy and negative energy. Only a select few firebenders can separate these energies. This creates an imbalance. The energy wants to restore balance. And in the moment, the positive and negative energy come crashing back together. You provide release and guidance, creating lightning.
I'm ready to try it.
Remember, once you separate the energy, you do not command it. You are simply its humble guide.